In this video, we're going to review some basic settings. Here we are on the settings page in Zoho Campaigns. In company details, you can set up basic info about your company that can be used when creating email templates. Also, depending on how you use campaigns, some of these fields are required, so I recommend completing all the fields. Let's go back. In subscriptions, you can find out how many marketing contacts you have in campaigns to make sure you're under your limit. Under Manage Users, you can add or remove users. And in Roles and Privileges, you can add or edit roles depending on your business needs. By default, we have a standard admin role and a standard user role. Back to the settings. In Manage Senders, you can add or remove email addresses that you can use to send emails. In this case, you already have a sender, but you can add more by clicking on Add Sender. Then add the email address and click on Send Verification Email. Once you verify it, you will be able to use it. Another important step is to add these two DNS records to your domain. In this case, the records have already been added and verified. In the description, you will find more info on how to add these records to your domain. We can also add multiple domains to Zoho Campaigns. For example, we can add new sender, and the domain is going to be @blungotesting.com. Now the domain shows on our domain list. And as you can see, the DNS records have not been verified yet. Another important setting to improve daily variability is custom return path. Here you will find your verified domains. To set this up, click on Setup and follow the instructions. This is another record that you have to add to your domain. Okay, let's go back to the settings and open Custom Fields. Here you can add any custom fields that you need in campaigns. You can also add the fields here and then use them when you set up sinks and map fields. In the previous video, we mentioned topics. Topics allow you to categorize the type of campaigns you send. This way, if a contact is not interested in the topic, she can unsubscribe from that topic and still receive emails about the other topics. In this case, we only have one topic called marketing, but let's add a new one. The name is newsletter. And let's add a description. And save. Now we have two topics. As we send email campaigns, we can select what topic the campaign is about, and only contacts subscribed to that topic will receive these emails. We're going to review topics again when we send a campaign later in the course. If you click on Preview, you can review what the contact is going to see if she decides to update her email preferences. That page can be customized by clicking on Edit. Also, you can group topics under products by clicking on this button, but we're not going to cover products in this course.